So today I want to build an overhead camera rig for my new YouTube channel. What I want to do is build something sturdy, something cheap, under $100, and be able to clamp things to it like lights and phones, because for now I'm going to be filming with iPhones. Let's see what it's going to take to build this. There's a product called Black Pipe and it's used for gas lines. I am going to build my structure with that. You can also use PVC, but it won't be as sturdy, and I'm looking for something sturdy that will last me a long time. So I'm hoping this should work out that way. This is what Black Pipe looks like. It's sturdy, it's metal. They didn't have 12-inch pipe at Home Depot, so I had them cut this. They have the machine to cut it there. So they took a 24-inch piece and they cut it and they threaded it for me. So I'm hoping, he said there's a possibility that this will be a little hard to get on, that it doesn't thread exactly like it came originally. So we'll see how that works out. So I have 4 of these. These are going to be for the legs, the base. And then I have 3 36-inch black pipes. I've got 2 of these L-shaped fittings. I've got 2 of these T-shaped fittings and 4 of these end caps. These are going to be used on the base. You don't have to use these. I chose to, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. So that's it. This was about $90 total. And the $90 included this. I'm going to use this Plasti Dip to dip the ends. So we're going to work on that first because this has to dry overnight, or at least 4 hours, and it's evening here, so I'm going to dry it overnight and come back to my project tomorrow morning. The black pipe is the 1/2 inch diameter, and that's important to know. You can get thicker, I think 3/4 inch, so if you need it super sturdy, you might want to go that route, but you need to consider the clamps that you're going to use on this. So my cap is going to go on the silver side. Let's hope for the best. I'm not going to worry or stress about it too much because I'm going to dip this end in my Plasti Dip so that it doesn't scratch my table surface that I use it on. And I'm just going to dip clear up to here, and it's going to stay on. It's not going to go anywhere. That's definitely as tight as I can get it. I didn't get the caps on perfectly. 2 of them barely went on, but it's still going to be enough because of the Plasti Dip, I think. I'm not going to fret over it. 2 of them went on halfway. It's good enough for me. You may want to search a little harder than I did for 12-inch pieces. I had a pool noodle. You can get these for $1 at the dollar stores. Any of the dollar stores usually have them in the summer. And I took that and I cut it into 4 pieces. And I put it just in a base. A pitcher is what I chose, but put it in anything. And I'm going to use this for these so they can dry. It's time to build. Let's do this. I'm excited. I like it. I I like it a lot. Let's take a look at it, guys. I still need to get my setup for my board. I want a decorative board to put under here, but the stand is done. So one thing at a time. So I've got the T. So I think it turned out pretty good. It's very sturdy. So there's my base. Come up, I've got a clamp here with my Logitech, and the clamp has the camera mount and a light. So then I've got another clamp, the same. I'll link these below. They're pretty cool. You can get them on Amazon. And there's the other side of the base. So you can get clamps that screw on here a lot tighter. Let's see if I can get it. Not bad. You can go with smaller dimensions and do smaller things, like maybe showing jewelry or whatever it is you do. So that's my rig. I love it. I will probably purchase some other clamps, and I will use my box lights to help light the surface that I'm trying to record. I did it. Thanks for watching. You can do this too. Bye.